Look at this 2008 BMW 3 Series. Carfax has certified this 3 Series as having one owner. This 3 Series has just under 63,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 28 on the highway. This 3 Series boasts a 3.0-liter inline-six engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 6-speed Steptronic automatic transmission, paddle shifters, REC 205 transmission and ZSP Sport package, comfort access system, gray poplar wood interior trim, Logic 7 sound system, iPod and USB adapter, cold weather package, premium package and the sport package. Call 888-737-4550 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.